In this video, we will understand what are Excel macros and how can we use Excel macros. Now, this is a sample data which you can assume that we receive from a system on a daily basis, and after receiving it, we have to take certain steps on this data before generating a final report. And these steps are, let's say, I delete this first row because this gives me system numbers which I don't use. Then I bold it, right? I bold these two rows, one row and column. Then I give it a color. Same here, I give this color. Okay, and then I use this data for my report. Now you just saw that I repeated a number of steps which I have to do on a daily basis, right? Now to remove the repetition, or say to automate my repeated work, I can use Excel macros. How? Let's see. So I'll just go back to the original report. This was the original report. Now I'll record an Excel macro for the repeating set of steps. So you go to view, macros, record macro, right? And we'll name it anything, daily macro, and you can even assign a shortcut key if you want. Then you have to say is okay. Now I'll take those steps again which I do on a daily basis. So I'll first delete this row, I'll select this, bold this, select this, bold this. Okay, then I'll select these cells and color it. I'll select these cells and color it. That's it, my macro is done. I'll again go to view, I'll say macro, stop recording. Right, now let's see how I can use the macro we just recorded to do these steps. So this is the report we receive again. Now I don't need to do those steps again. I'll just go, I'll say view macros, I'll say run. As soon as I pressed run, you could see that all steps were automatically taken and my report was ready. So whenever you repeat a number of steps on a daily basis, or in any process, if there is a repetition of steps, you can automate that and increase the speed of your work using Excel macros. This was a very simple example. You can even make complex macros which can do a lot of automation and can increase your speed to a great extent.